Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best flat clipboard on the market, the Mr. Pen Plastic Clipboard, letter size in sleek black. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone who just needs a reliable writing surface on the go, this clipboard is designed to deliver exactly that with style and practicality. Right off the bat, the Mr. Pen Clipboard impresses with its smooth plastic construction. The surface is flat and firm, providing a perfect platform for writing, signing documents, or reviewing paperwork wherever you are. Measuring 12.5 by 9 inches, it comfortably fits letter-sized papers and pads, giving you plenty of room to work without feeling cramped. One of the standout features is the sturdy low-profile metal clip. This clip isn't just durable, it holds up to 50 sheets securely, so you don't have to worry about papers slipping out, even when you're moving around. The clip also features a retractable hanging hole, allowing you to conveniently hang the clipboard when not in use or to keep it easily accessible in your workspace. The lightweight design is another strong point. At just over 7 ounces, it's easy to carry around all day without feeling bulky or heavy. This makes it a perfect companion for those who are always on the move, whether on job sites, in classrooms, or at meetings. Durability is key with any clipboard, and Mr. Pen doesn't disappoint. The plastic used is sturdy yet lightweight, resistant to everyday wear and tear, which means it will maintain its professional appearance over time. Plus, the metal clip is designed to withstand regular use without bending or losing its grip. This clipboard also stands out for its versatility. Its simple and sleek black design makes it suitable for any setting, from schools and offices to hospitals and outdoor environments. It's a no-nonsense tool that focuses on functionality while still looking clean and professional. In terms of size, the clipboard strikes the perfect balance, large enough to accommodate standard letter-size sheets, but compact enough to fit easily in bags, backpacks, or briefcases. This means you can carry it anywhere without hassle. Overall, the Mr. Pen Plastic Clipboard is a dependable and affordable solution for anyone looking for a high-quality, flat clipboard. Its combination of a firm writing surface, a strong clip, lightweight design, and practical features like the retractable hanging hole make it an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a clipboard that simply works well in any situation, the Mr. Pen Plastic Clipboard is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.